plate stop. The fasten seatbelt sign switched off and we ask you to disembark. Before disembarking, please remember to check the overhead lockers and seat pockets for all your personal belongings. And when opening the overhead lockers, do take care, as items may have moved during the flight. For further travel arrangements, Fiji Airways invites you to visit our website at fijiairways.com for sale prices and our best deals on Fiji Island vacation packages. Ladies and gentlemen, do note you will be disembarking from the rear door. Do take care when going down the stairs, follow the clearly marked pathway into the terminal building, and stay well away from the propellers of the aircraft. On behalf of Captain Magna, your FJ281 crew as well as the entire Fiji Link and Fiji Airways family, we'd like to sincerely thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It was an absolute pleasure having you on board. We wish you safe travels to your final destinations. Have a blessed weekend ahead and stay safe. Reminder, ladies and gentlemen, to remain seated